어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어제까지도 우리는 같이.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I thought I would do a makeup look. It's actually gonna be inspired by the color of the year, which is Mocha Mousse. It's also inspired by Song Jia from Singles Inferno. I actually saw one of her makeup look recently on Instagram and I freaking fell in love with it because she looks so stunning in brown, and I really love how this makeup look turned out. So I'm so excited to get this video started, and yeah, let's just get started.
To begin the makeup, I'm actually just going to be using this Carrot Daily Mask from SkinFood just to prep the skin before going in with the makeup. It also hydrates the skin and we'll be leaving it on for 15 minutes. Now we're going to be using the Aquaphor just to hydrate the lips as well. So the main show of this makeup look will actually be the contact lenses, and we're going to be using Olens in Smoky Brown. And we're going to be using a light moisturizer, which is this Carotene Dive-In Cream. And for primer, we're going to be using this Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. And I'm going to putting it under my eye, on my forehead, on my chin as well. And for foundation, we're going to be using this Teacher Mask Fit All Cover Pink Cushion Foundation. And I also tap the Access product at the back of the cushion just so it gets an even application. For concealer, I'll be using this Saem Cover Perfection Concealer. I would definitely recommend this for you guys since it's so cheap and it's also so easy to blend. And while I'm waiting for my concealer to dry a little bit, I'll be using this Fenty Beauty Match Stick and I'll be applying it like a 3 shape. And as you can see over here, my face looks more defined. And now we're going to be blending out the concealer that we just let dry. For the base of the blush, we're going to be using this House of Her Moist Ampule blush in the color Cherry Blossom. And then using the same contour shade, we're just going to be contouring our nose. So we're going to be doing like an 11 shape and then a little V shape at the tip of the nose. And for blush, we're actually going to be using this MAC lipstick and this Flower Nose lipstick. So by mixing this together, we'll just create this perfect beige brown muted type of blush that And then for brows, I'll be using this Heavy Rotation Coloring Eyebrow from Saem. And then I just go in and clean it up a little bit with the concealer and a little brush. And then to blend it all in, I'm going to be using this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And then to set the base, I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. Then to set the contour, I'll be using this Shooty Doll palette. This palette is honestly so good, you guys. I would definitely recommend you checking it out. So I start with the lightest shade all over my lid, and then I go in with a light brown color of the palette. And then I go in with the darkest shade to outline the eyeliner. And I also use this at the bottom of my eye. And then I go in with this Too Faced Born This Way palette in the shade Driftwood to outline the bottom of my eye as well. I just do this instead of tightlining as it looks more natural. And then I use the Essence Gel Eyeliner just to create an aegysal. And then on top of the gel eyeliner, I use this Too Cool for School aegysal maker as well. This is in the shade Shining Linen. And then I just use my finger just to blend it all out. And to shade the aegysal, I just use this Cologram pencil. And then I'm just gonna highlight my under eye using this same palette from Judy Doll. And then I'll be using the Judy Doll eyeliner as well to create an eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes using the Shiseido eyelash curler. And then I'll be going in with this L'Oreal Panorama mascara as well. Don't forget to put the mascara all over your bottom lashes as well. And then using the Etude Ginger Honey Cookie, I'm just gonna be using this blush all over my cheeks and also just underneath the eye. And then using the same Judy Doll palette, I'll be using the highlighter shade and then focusing that on the inner corner of my eye and also just highlighting the nose tip. Then using the glitter shade of the Cosnary palette, I'll be putting that on over my eyelid. And I'll be going in with the same Born This Way palette again, using the glitter shade in gold and putting it all over my eyelid as well. And then for the lips, I'll be using this Roman Glasting Balm in the shade Nude Beige. And I'll be going in with the MAC lipstick that I use for my blush and putting that all over my lips as well. And I'm just going to be adding a fake mole all over my face just because I feel like it completes the look. And for the last step, I'll be using this Glint Stick Highlighter. And this is in the shade Milky Move.
어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고